5 money mistakes you should avoid. Have you ever tried to save but you were unsuccessful? If yes, then keep watching. 1. Spending more money than you earn. Instead of spending, start prioritizing on saving. 2. Buying things you don't need. Only buy things that are essential. 3. Not facing your financial problem. First, identify what needs more attention. 4. Not having a plan. Planning helps to make your goals more attainable. 5. Relying on one income. It's always a good idea to increase your income or have multiple sources of income. If this information was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.